Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update KineMaster to the latest version. Whether you are using Android or iPhone, this is easy and fast. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone or App Store. At the bottom in the search bar, type KineMaster, find the KineMaster app and tap it. If there's an update available, you will see a button that says update. Just tap the update, wait a moment while the new version downloads and installs. When it's finished, tap open to start the newest version. If you want KineMaster to update by itself in the future, go to the settings, tap on app, turn on app updates automatically. Now KineMaster will update automatically when a new version is out. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.